Hi guys, welcome to Mika Reveal YouTube channel. Today we will be harvesting some potatoes. Well, this is if you have watched some of our previous videos, you would remember that I did say that we were trialing with planting potatoes. So today is D-Day with one of the baskets. We have not harvested all the other baskets. We're just trying out this one basket to see how far they've grown, and then we'll decide whether we're going to harvest all the other baskets or not. So other than this basket, we have 2 more baskets that we still need to harvest. So yeah, we found ourselves some little bugs there, as you can see. Yay! I don't know what they're doing there, but I don't like bugs. I don't like bugs anyway. They creep me out. Yeah. We then started digging into our soil. I really like playing with soil. It's just therapeutic. And then we found our first potato. As you can see, another one. But it doesn't look like there's a lot. So it looks like we won't be harvesting on the other 2 baskets. We have to leave it for a month and a half or maybe. I don't know. But we found ourselves quite a few potatoes there that we can actually prepare for dinner maybe. But yeah, there you go. And I really love the quality of those potatoes, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do not forget to like, subscribe to our channel so that we can grow the family, and do share our videos. Until next time, bye.